风情
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情每日一客语。
Yo, welcome back to Daily Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Josephine。Alice， 怎么了？
我刚刚去警察局。
Are you okay？
手机掉了没？
吓死我了！你这个年纪还在手机掉了。好啦，对了，去警察局呢，除了要报案之外，手机掉了，他们也会帮忙 ，right? Okay, whether you need to report something or you lost your cell phone, you go to the police station. 警察局。
警察局。
警察局。手机掉了，可以到警察局报案。If you lost your cell phone, you can report it at the police station.
手機的跌脫咧。
手機的跌脫咧。
走得去。
走得去。
警察局報案。
警察局報案。警察局報案的電話其實在呼籲大家它是110哦。The police hotline here in Taiwan is simply 110.
警察局報案天發黑。
警察局報案天發黑。110 That's 110. 110的意思咯。There you have it. That's a handy number. So let's review these phrases, including 報案 to report a crime.
報案。
報案。And it's all about the police station, 警察局。
警察局。
警察局。我們的人民的保姆呢，都在那邊幫你咯。All right, that does today's practical Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺是誰張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.